Thank you. So, hello everyone. I'm Alexander from Tetu, Russia. So, I work in our data office. Data office in Tetu is heart of data analytical tools. First, a short intro before my speech. I'm happy to speak at the Fun Round event for a second time. It's a great honor for me. Thank you, my Fun Round friends. So the first time I spoke in detail about how we create a new VI platform, which was Nightly, and how we develop self-service in our company. The story is already 3 years old, and so today I don't speak about it. I tell you the story. I will show using our company as an example how we stay true to our approach. I speak about self-service and how we implement AI tools in our self-service way and give new tools for our employees. So a regular slide about me. I have the most part of my life I am working in the telecom industry, and so I did some interesting project in BI analytics and that. So about Tetu. Tetu is a company operates in 17 regions. We have own infrastructure. We have 49 million subscribers and about 1,300 people as an employee. It includes, of course, all our staff. The main players in Russian mobile market have been stable for a long time. Tetu entered the market in 2003 year, and we stay as an aggressive player. So we have gone a long journey and many changes. Today we part of Rostelecom Group. We also have a new name. Now our name, Tetu. As you can see, as the beginning of the slide, in 2003 we started as subsidiary stage Tele2 AB. So it was a very complex choice for us because on Russian market we have 100 recognition our brand. But a few weeks ago we celebrate a year when we started live with a new name, and we didn't lose our position. So we are happy with our new name, and that is in the past. So we consider that Tele2 is a very efficient company. I really wanted to provide you some specific features because I believe that some KPIs in money and money measure is the most effective way to show you how efficiently you work. But security guys, PR guys, and another guys from dark side of our company forbid to do it, and I show a little bit points, and you can get some conclusion about our company. So let me briefly remind you of our migration story. In the early days, the ancient period in our slides, we used different uncoordinated tools. Later we created a data office as a structure and started to roll data tools centrally. Then political events changed our IT landscapes and we migrated to new platforms. That's how we meet Funround. Some statistics and figures and various data tools, and you can see that now we have a few thousands users and same data office tools. And what I want to point, if you look exactly at one of the FineRun products, is FineBee. We are now close to 5,000 users. About 400 users have a license creator and can develop the dashboard. It's about our self-service screen. But as I said earlier, new tools and technologies are emerging. Self-service users now need more than B. So in previous time, B was the sum endpoint for analytical users. Now it's not. So our self-service mission of our data officer from day one is to provide trusted data, the right tools, and clear processes for the central teams and for self-service users. AI is a part of this mission, and so are the new technologies. On this slide, you can see how many objects from water to water create our users. So I noticed that, of course, our company use AI as an enterprise tool. For example, such product like anti-fraud call system, chatbot for customers, call assistants, smart data for external users, and so on. I speak about AI in self-service, and what I want to say. Its value is highest when the data is ready. Our data office makes this possible. I want to say that now BI is still alive. It has a new role. It works together with other tools. You can see the details on the slide. I want to stress one point. I make it bold. So it's about data foundation. So before we talk about AI, one point is key. In self-service B, business users need trusted data to build useful reports. With AI, this is even stronger. LLM models are powerful, but they work well only when we give them the right context, right metadata, and clear rules. So the data office is not only about new AI tools. Our job to keep order in the data, so answer fast, correct, and trusted. And that's why we started with data classification. So we use another modern technology based on machine learning. We classify all of this data, then we fit this classification in our data governance tools and also in BI tools. So every model and report uses this right label. So it's a wonderful example how we push these labels, and also we track new KPI. We call it data health. It's basically on our data quality checks. Data health shows how much of our data is ready and trusted for AI. For example, on this slide, on the second picture, you can see some data issue for measured ARP by region, and in this stage, our AI and BI tools can understand maybe it's not a good time to use this metric. So now about the tools. That we give for our users. One of these tools is a Neuro portal, or Neuroshoes in Russian. It's developed by our parent company, Vesttelecom, which is based on its infrastructure. It's also possible to deploy it locally. So this is a UI portal that consists ability to use cloud-based LLM like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and so on. And of course, for now, sometimes security, as I said about Invalidza, is important. Sometimes we should use on-premise LLM model. Such as Llama, Wayne, DeepSeek also, and OpenAI also have on-premise model, and we put it in this portal too. So in this portal you can choose a model, load some data, and give an answer, and get an answer. So it's a basic scenarios that our users can do on this portal. And of course, one of the good feature for this portal is ability for users to create his own agent. You can see the form. In this form, our users can choose LLM, can create a prompt for this agent and give him instructions, and this agent will work for you. As I said before, to ensure safe and compliant use of AI inside the company, we have developed dedicated policies and technical controls. Of course, we developed separate corporate guidelines. If be simple, this document says when you can use AI, which data you can put in cloud model, or you should use only on-premise model. And of course, we can do a full control without technical control. We implement DLP systems which this system can understand which data our users put in this. For example, Neuro portal. So we are not a software company. Most of the time we use ready solutions, ready software, but sometimes the market doesn't have what we need, or tools not flexible, have a bad price or something like that. So in this case, we build our own solutions. For example, solutions for the data governance cooperation. On this slide, you can see how we build our own integration with our data governance system. Our solutions helps user create data queries in various ways, in plain language, and for example, in SQL, and also can give answer based on our data governance system. That's an example how it looks. Sorry, it's in Russian because our system works in Russian. So we can, I explain, user just ask the system to give him explanation what's data consists in exact table. He got answer, he got a description, he got ID, he got link on our DG system, and how he can give the access to this table. So of course, I want to say about product our partner from Phoneron. As a head of B, I can say that many of us, many of my colleagues, have a dream. A dream is one single general record for top management, for a sale. Always relevant KPIs, and we want that KPIs never change. But reality is another. Management constantly requires adjustments KPI with strategy changes. Sometimes it's just asked to rebuild this record. We may rebuild week, month, and another time. And it's painful. It's very painful for us. I see smile on my colleagues' face. So that maybe it's relevant for you too. This slideshow generally is never final. Management asks for changes, or management team changes, or sale changes in the company. And we have a new sale and should rebuild the record. That's why we think that Phoneron products should be have a strong potential. Nowadays, together with our operational department, which support our management team, we run a pilot. We try to replace the constantly revoked general record with a ChatB. Management asks question and get answer in seconds from a ChatB. Maybe in future we should rebuild this report with our records. So, our plan for future, expand ChatGPT pilots, of course, integrate LLM and SML in data office process, build AI pilots, and configure migration and modernization. And maybe we can migrate to Signal Vision, but I know that one of my colleagues will speak about it in detail, and so we continue. So, in conclusion, I want to say that we now as Northern deployed and evolve with AI. So, thank you for your patience, thank you for your attention. Sorry for my English. I finished.
Okay, but wait for a while. Okay. I know you are so enthusiastic now, and now it's time for you to raise a question, but only one chance. After listening to the speech, any question? Only one. Only one. Okay. This time.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
I have the very simple questions. We hear that on many voices or opinions that the AI is replacing the people in the field. What do you think? Do you have examples where when the AI is replacing the people in your company, for example? And what do you think about it?
This morning I see a presentation in the main hall, and I think that's in one of the presentations was a great idea that AI is good, AI can work and can extend our ability, but now it can replace our brain. So this is the answer. It can replace some roles. For example, creating presentation. I hope that the next time I don't do it manually.